What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stunner Reese, and I'm back with another video, man. And today here in Chicago, it is a gorgeous weather, y'all. The weather is absolutely beautiful, man. It's almost like 55, 59 degrees out here. It just feels so comfortable, and it's supposed to be getting almost to 70 degrees by a couple more days, y'all, here in Chicago. So the weather is definitely coming around. Still on this quarantine, guys. Man, I just can't stress enough, man, how bad this situation is. It's got everybody in fear. It's some foul play in this whole thing, but I ain't gonna say too much, man. But definitely, if you got a 5G phone, man, put that shit down. Subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time checking out my videos, man, because today is an epic video because I am doing a review on this product. But most importantly, I'm going to be giving this product away when I get to 37,000 subscribers, guys. So I'm at 35.5 now, so that's only about 1,500 subscribers that I need to get to in order to give this away. It's brand new. It was sent by my people over at Jane at Van Top. Yes, and I'm going to do a review on it. It is a piezo negative ion driving recorder. All right, so I'm not going to do a full install on this because I'm going to be giving it away to one of you guys. So y'all stay tuned for this whole video. If you're here for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and let's get into this video with this giveaway product. Now, let's go. Live life to the fullest on muscle cars and more. Let's get it, let's go. All right, Stunt Squizzy. Now, you know, man, we got the legendary Putt Prius right here, man. Now, this is actually the company that had sent me the wrong product, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. This is what they sent me. It was not what they were supposed to send me, so I'm just going to give this away. I spoke with Jane via email, and she told me, hey, just do a review on it and give it away. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it away to my subscribers once I get to 37,000 subscribers. So y'all make sure y'all share the video, man, so we can give away this product, man. It's brand new, and it's a new product that, you know, they just want me to do a review on. Now, you see the Putt Prius is dirty still, but I'm gonna be taking the Putt Prius today to get cleaned up, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, man. So after the review, y'all just stick around, man. But let's go. What we got is a piezo negative ion driving recorder. Now, it's similar to this, but it doesn't have the reverse camera hookup. This one only records in the front, I believe, but we're gonna go through all of the features and benefits. All right, it features a HD camera, HD video, G sensor, built-in LCD screen, size of a 2.0 IPS, has a 170 degrees wide angle lens, English, Chinese, Japanese, Russian, etc. It shoots in movie format, H.264 audio capabilities, continuous looping, automatically power on and off support, motion detection function, time synchronization support. It has a built-in memory, total 64 megabytes, JPEG photo format, memory card, TF Max 32 gigabyte. It does have a mic, current frequency, a USB disc, power interface, and a built-in 200 mAh battery. So opening up the product, man, you can see right here, gotta have my gloves on, man. I don't know what is on this box. So, one tips: format the SD card for the first time to use. Please hold a charge for 15 minutes in the car because the battery may be drained during the transit, which causes your modifications can't be saved. The real-time videos on the app are just 480p. Download to your phone album and enjoy in 1080p. The SD card space is limited as you lock up and save more files, we recommend that you regularly back up your videos to your computer and format the SD card regularly. Please keep allowing the Go Plus app to use the wireless and cellular data, or the Wi-Fi module may not connect to your cell phone app. iOS users, for the first time you will use the Go Plus app, please select wireline and cellular when it prompts. Allow Go Plus use wireless data. All right. So opening up the box, we got the actual camera right here. Now, the build quality actually feels pretty good. You can see it's got the plug on the side here. It's got all the buttons back here, the LCD screen back here as well. And it looks like it's got the microphone speaker back there. Here is your slot for your SD card and your power input. And here is your camera lens. Now, let's see what else we got in this box. Okay, so we got our power supply cord right here, which is similar to the one that is actually on this camera. So yeah, I can probably just for demonstration purposes use the one that is for this camera, so that I don't even have to open up you guys' brand new one. And then it also has the mount right here where you can mount it. Now, I am not going to mount it because, like I said, I'm just going to turn it on so you guys can kind of see the basics of it. And then I'm going to repackage this up because I want it to be brand new when I give it to you guys, because I don't want it to be scratched up, scuffed up, or anything. I want everything to be in brand new condition. So I'm going to just put this back in the bag. Hold on. You see I got that stuff back into the box. All right, and where is my old cord for this one? It is right here, guys. So let's make sure that this plugs into this. And I'm pretty sure it does, because that's a PZO product as well. So let's see. Boom. It works perfectly. So yeah, I should be able to test it out with just my old plug from that one. So yeah, let's get to this. All right, guys, as you can see, it has lit up the screen when I powered it up. It is not a SD card inserted in here, so it is not going to capture the memory on the SD card. If you win it, you will have to pick up your SD card so that you can, you know, save your recordings on the SD card. But yeah, man, you can see, man, it's pretty clear. It looks good, it looks clear, it looks clean, and that's all you basically need, is a nice recorder that's going to film everything that might happen in front of you. Say, you know, someone jumps out in front of you in the car, runs a red light, anything illegally in front of you, this will actually capture it. So, you know, you definitely want to make sure you have one of these if you have the ability to get one. And I'm giving you guys one for free. You know, it has a lot of different benefits of having a dash cam, because you always are able to record what's going on with you, you know. And you know, it's just a good safety feature to have. You know, you can actually show it to your insurance company if a person tries to, you know, blame you for, you know, causing an accident or things like that. I mean, it's just a good safety measure to have. So if you have the ability to get one of these, pick one of these up, definitely grab one. I will put the link in the description so that you can grab one. Make sure you pick one up using a link so that you can, you know, get a discount on it. All right, but yeah, that's gonna wrap that up. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it back in the box. But yeah, it does work. It's brand new, guys. So yeah, make sure you share this video, guys. Somebody is gonna win this. Like I said, only 1,500 subscribers away. We're gonna give away this at 37K on my channel. All right, so let's go get the putt Prius cleaned up, man, because this thing is dirty. All right, Stunt Squizzy, man. Yeah. That's my jam, man. But anyway, man, check it out, man. On my way to the car wash, and guys, you just gotta, like, really know that these are some trying times for everybody. It's hard for us to get this content for y'all right now. It's like just so hard to like not touch your face. If you used to, you know, like rubbing your nose every now and then, like, you know what I'm saying, you gotta, you know, just rub your nose, you know. I mean, there's just natural reflexes of a human being, man, just to, you know, scratch your nose and stuff. And it's just, guys, just if you can, stay in the house. Stay in the house. Now I'm going to the drive-through car wash. Y'all know I typically get out, spray my car myself. Even though I got my gloves on, even though I stay disinfecting my car, I just, you know, with my baby on the way, I gotta be extra careful, you know, not just because of the baby, because of the kids, because of, you know, Lady X. I just don't want to contract or spread or catch anything and give it to anybody. So I am being super careful. Man, my only thing is, guys, I'm just hoping that, you know, we can start seeing an end soon, a decline. You know, you know, the numbers start going down. I am just really, really, you know, concerned that this could go on for much, much longer than what they are saying, you know, because, you know, it's just kind of out of control. I'm gonna be honest with you, man, I'm not really pleased with our leadership, you know, for a long time. But I mean, I ain't gonna get into that because I don't want, you know what I'm saying, to get targeted. But you know, and my leadership could be anybody, you know what I'm saying, the leader of my apartment complex. Yeah. But anyway, man, I just, you know, think that, guys, we are in a situation, and I think that if something happened with a point where a person put out something, you know, if not the government, if anybody tried to do something, I think it kind of went out of control. Man, there's just so much things you guys just have to like stay woke and research. Research is everything, guys. Just try to learn as much as you possibly. All right, guys. Well, I got a problem, man. The actual drive-through portion of the car wash is actually closed. So I'm going to have to actually go and just spray it off myself. So, like I said, I got my gloves, so I should be okay. Guys, they have completely disconnected the whole car wash, guys. I didn't even notice that. There is no sprayers, there's no brushes, there's nothing, man. Everything is disconnected. Guys, I can't even wash my damn car. So I don't want y'all to be on my case about how dirty the Putt-Putt Prius is right now, because I gotta try to find another car wash. Hopefully all of them not closed down, so we'll see, man. Oh man, this whole pandemic is just crazy, man. Crazy. And it's sad, man. It is so sad. Oh man, just can't be selfish in this situation, man. Just, man, praying for all the people who are suffering from this because of the illness part of it. You know, me not being able to wash my car is not a big deal at all, guys. Don't get it twisted. Me not being able to drive my Hellcat, drive Drac, you know, get the content that you guys, you know, really want to see is not really the big deal. Not really the big issue at all, man. It's what's going on in the world right now is the big issue. And those are the people who I pray for. My prayers are going up for them and their families, man. All right? But I'm gonna still see if I can get the car washed for you guys. All right, so just stay tuned. All right, let's go. All right, Stunt Squad, so I have had to search all over to find a car wash for the Putt-Putt Prius, man, because it is filthy. But yeah, it has came down to me coming all the way to Indiana, that's right, to get a car wash. I just got the cheap little $3 wash, and then I'm gonna wipe it down myself. This is crazy, but yeah, I don't know what's going on with the car washes, but all the gas station car washes and everything that I've seen was all closed, you know, and none of the spray washes that you self-spray or run through the actual, you know, conveyor system in Illinois that I saw were open. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, but let's get this thing cleaned up, man, and y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all finally a clean Prius. I know. Let's go. Alright, Stunt Squizzy, after a long, hard battle, man, we have finally got the Putt Prius all the way clean, and it is looking amazing. The rims look back gorgeous, and guys, I'm proud to be giving this car away. We definitely gonna redo the wrap, because the wrap has definitely took a beating over the winter because of the time that it was actually applied, that it was just cold and it didn't really adhere that well. So you know what I'm saying, we got some bad spots that we definitely got to address. I had to put a patch piece right there, and man, just all over the car is just little things that I hate about the way that it looks. So yeah, we definitely gonna be doing some different things to it. I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna stay with the color, but guys, I don't know. Should I change the color? Y'all drop in the comments to let me know. I don't know, because I love this color. I love the attention that it gets, and it looks so good. But definitely don't forget, man, I am giving away this PZO driving recorder at 37,000 subscribers. So definitely make sure you guys share this video so we can get the word out and get somebody this product, man. I can't wait to give it away. It's gonna be an epic day, man. All right, but yeah, just like that, man, this video is over. Appreciate all the love, appreciate all the support, man. It's your boy Stunner Reese checking out, man. Definitely subscribe to Lady X. Don't forget, I'm also giving away 500 cash at 50K. All right, let's get it, let's go. Yeah.
Hey, subscribe, share. What does it? Like for you niggas. Subscribe, square, like. Square? Shit.
Alright, subscribe, square.
Yeah, subscribe, share,
and
like. It ain't
square.
It's square. And share.
Alright,
subscribe to my man.